Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of S? Now read with me, hooray! Hey!
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
S is for swan, graceful bird so white. Hey, hey! S is for snake, it moves without a break. Hey, hey! S is for sandwich, a yummy tasty bite. Bye bye friends, see you next day. We'll learn new sounds, hip hip hooray! Hi!
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact Akhtar Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.